Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play You Say by Lauren Daigle. So it is the same 4 chords, repeated the entire way through the song, so it's going to be a good one for beginners, this one. And I'm getting serious Adele vibes when I listen to her, because I've not heard of her since it was requested a few times on my channel. So thank you for those who have requested this one. So the key of the song is in F major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. And this is what the melody and the chords are based around. So we'll have a look at the right hand first. So here is middle C on my piano, and this is where we're going to be starting. So first chord is an F major, but the chords are broken up. So this is an F major first inversion, so A, C and F. So the pattern is going, if you think of it as high, low, middle, low, high, low, middle, low. So it does 4 of those patterns. And then the other chords are broken up in the same pattern as well. And then all you're going to do for the next chord, which is an A minor, is change the F to an E. And you're going to do the same pattern. High, low, middle, low. And the next chord is a D minor. So you're going to keep your thumb on the A and move these fingers up 1 to D and F. And you're going to do the same pattern again, so this gives us D minor second inversion. And then all you're going to do for the next chord, which is a B flat major, is keep these notes the same and change the A to a B flat, and the same pattern again. And then it repeats again from the beginning. So I'll just play that through for you. And repeats. So now we're going to have a look at the left hand, and it's just following those root notes. So F, A, D, B flat. And you're just going to sustain those notes whilst you play the pattern of the chord in the right hand. So I'm going to put that hands together now. Play it again. So as I said before, that is repeated the majority of the way through the song. There are moments in the song where those chord shapes are just being held like that instead of broken up. So we'd have So that concludes this tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. Please give it a big thumbs up if it has. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. I upload 3 to 4 new tutorials every week. And if you have a piano tutorial request, please see the comments section of this video, and I've posted a link there. Click on that link and that takes you through to my official request space, and there you can request any song you like. All requests are noted and considered. So this video, for example, was a requested song, so yours could be coming up soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!